Guys, in this video, I will show you how you can fix can't connect to EA servers on Madden NFL 25. Right, so without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open a browser. Then you just need to write Madden NFL 25 server status, and then should be this website here, EA help. Right click on it and open up. And then you should see that server status on EA app and EA Play is good, check mark. And then if you go on NFL 25, as you can see here currently for this moment, it's working, server status is not down, right? And if it's down, you just need to wait until the servers will be fixed, and if it's not, we can proceed with other steps, right? So first, what I suggest you to do here is to go to fast.com and test your internet speed. If you have good internet speed, you're good to go, and if you don't, maybe if you're using Wi-Fi, try to, if there is possibility for you, use Ethernet cable or just limit some devices and restart your router, right? If the problem persists, what I suggest you to do here next is open up settings. Or not settings, first open up CMD, right click on it, open as admin, and here you just need to write ipconfig /flush DNS, and another command is nesh winsock reset, right? And after that, restart your computer. Next thing, open up settings, then open up a network and internet, then open up advanced network settings, then reset your network. If you're using Wi-Fi, you need to put your password after you press reset now. If you're using internet cable, you don't need to do here nothing, right? Then go to your internet connection, Ethernet. For me, is this one, more adapter options, double click on Internet Protocol version 4, and select use the following DNS server addresses and just write 8.8.8.8 and alternate write 8.8.4.4 and apply the changes. And still, if you can't connect to servers, maybe your Windows Defender firewall do not let a game to connect to servers. And to fix that, what you need to do here is that depending on what you got the game, I got from EA Play. So all I need to do here, I just need to go to library on Madden, press on Madden, view properties, browse, and copy the path. If you're using Steam, it's quite similar. You just need to open up Steam, find the game, right click on it, properties, install files, browse, and it will be the same window. Then what you need to do here next is to open up Windows Defender Firewall. Then you need to press allow an app or feature, then change settings, allow another app, browse, paste the path, and add exe file. If you add getting this message, this means this already added to the list. And the last thing what you can do here is to go to virus and threat protection. Then you need to go to a virus and threat protection updates or virus and threat protection settings, manage settings, scroll down, exclusions, add or remove exclusion. Wait for a couple of seconds until you see this window, add an exclusion folder, copy the path, and add folder. I already did this, so for me the button is grayed out, but if you don't, you can select folder here. And that's pretty much it. So if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.